Faith of our fathers living still, in spite of dungeon, fire and sword. Oh, how our hearts beat high with joy when we hear the glorious word. Oh, how our hearts beat high with joy when we hear the glorious word. Glorious word. Glorious word.
Our fathers chained in prisons dark, were still in hope and conscience free.
Conscience free, conscience free, conscience free.
How sweet would be their children's fate, if they like them
could die for thee. Faith of our fathers, holy faith, we will be true to thee till death. Faith of our fathers, we will love, both friend and foe in all our strife, and preach thee true as love knows how, by kindly words and virtuous life. Virtuous life. Faith of our fathers, holy faith, we will be true